Okay, before we work an order of operations problem, let me show you what an exponent is. The little number, the 4, is called an exponent. The 3, the bigger number, is called the base. So what this means is they want you to multiply the number 3, the base, 4 times. So I like to think of it just simply write the number 3 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now that's not my answer. So I'm going to multiply. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. And 27 times 3 is 81. So 3 to the 4th power equals 81. In some of your order of operations problems, you'll encounter exponents, and sometimes you won't. But now you know what they are, just in case you do. Let's take a look at our first order of operations problem. Most people say, oh, I like to add. Let's do this first. But we're going to start with, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, with parentheses. We're going to start up at the top and work our way down to make sure that we do it correctly. Number 1, are there any parentheses? No. So we move to exponents. Are there any exponents? No. So we move to multiplication or division. There's none of that either. So now we're at addition or subtraction, and they're in a tie. So you start here and you look from left to right. Which operation sign did you see first? The subtraction. I like to box the part that I'm going to solve so I don't reuse the numbers again. 10 minus 7 is 3. And then I write everything else that's outside the box. Now I'm left with 3 plus 5. So addition is the only thing left. You can box this too if you want. And then you're always going to work down, so it's kind of going to look like a funnel or a V. Let's try another order of operations problem, one that's a little bit more complicated. 28 divided by 7 times 3 minus 4. Do we have any parentheses? No. Do we have any exponents? No. Now we're at multiplication or division. If you like to multiply better, that doesn't mean that you start in the middle. So what we're going to do is we're going to look from left to right, and we have a tie between division and multiplication. So as you look, you see that division comes first from left to right. So we're going to box this. 28 divided by 7 is 4. And then I'm going to write down everything else that I see. Now, I look, do I have any other multiplication or division operation signs? Yes, right here. So I'm going to do this first. 12 would be the answer, and then I'm going to bring down the minus 4, and then I'm going to solve 12 minus 4 is 8. Let's take a look at one more. Let's do one that has parentheses. Parentheses comes first, so we go straight to the parentheses and we solve 10 minus 6. I'm going to go ahead and box this just to stay with the same method. 10 minus 6 is 4. Now I'm going to write everything else outside the box. Just drop it down. I don't have any exponents. Let's look for multiplication or division. Yes, I have 1. Multiply. Let's solve that. Drop everything else down. Now I'm in addition or subtraction, and all I have is subtraction, so I'm going to solve that. And the answer is 10. And that's how you work with the order of operations. Check out my other videos if you're looking for problems that involve exponents and a little bit more difficult level with the order of operations. And thanks for watching.